This is the Red Fur Ravine Trail in British Columbia, Canada, in Vancouver. Kind of off the beaten path here. Just a teasing her down the trail. Alright, let's see what's down here. Well, we got some trees and we got rocks. Lots of trees. Look at those trees. Heading down the trail. Marching down the trail. What's at the bottom? We'll find out. Look at that. Woohoo. Up there. Up there. That's where we just were a second ago. Down. Okay, very nature. Down here there's some mud. There's some rocks. And there's a creek. All very beautiful. Okay. Look, there's the ravine. Look at where we are. Looks like somebody stomped through here. A little bit of a cough. Okay, what's this? This is exciting. All right, whoa. Take a look at that. That's beautiful. Here. Fast zoom in. Go up here. And center. Covering the ravine. There's some rocks. This is exciting. I think I heard some bells off in the distance. Hopefully nobody comes up and says, "Have you seen Bell Canyon?" That'd be a little bit trippy. Do you know the directions to Bell Canyon? I'd run out here screaming if that happened. I don't think that's gonna happen though. Oh, there's that bell again. There's a bird. There's some birds. There's just birds. Yeah, there's birds. Cool. Okay. Ooh, what's this? Little outcropping. Okay. We love BC, we love Canada, we love nature. That's what this is all about. People all over the world can come check out this park. It's a great park. Look up there. Oh, there's a bird. Alright, now that's a real cheese right there. Oh, a bee. They said there's lots of bees. There's a bee. Don't know if I caught the bee. Guys, I've seen it. Okay. Look at that. That's beautiful. Alright. This first video, BC Ravine. Hopefully there's going to be a lot more nature walks and trail hikes up mountains and various pathways here in Vancouver and BC in general. This is the first video. Gonna put it on YouTube. Maybe get a view or two. Oh, look at that. A little bit of a graffiti there. Graffiti, little letter, right? Cleaner trails. Gotta keep that kind of stuff off trails and nature. Makes it less nature-like, I guess. I don't know. Look at that. Oh, there's a bird. Happy little bird flying around. Alright. First video. Big God bless to everybody and have a great Easter season. Ooh, look at that.